Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court, Justice S Vaidyanathan, pynsmai ya Chandrashekhar H Vijayashankar, Lat Bathymmai ka Jylla Meghalaya, Shillong Raj Bhavan, ka jingsakhi ki hain ka sorkar Meghalaya, ki na ki pyrton shipai bat pulit ka Jylla, ki Nongmihkhmat paidbah bat ki riew khmat ka nongbah Shillong. Myntri Rangbah Conrad ke Sangma, Shongknor ke Iingdorbar Thaw Sangma, bat ki Myntri ke sorkar Jylla, ki donlang ha ka jingpynsmai ya Lat Bathymmai, ka bala shipor tang kartu ka ni minit. Lat Bathymmai smai da ka ktien paring. Shuaban penlong ya ka jingsmai, ka office jeng ulat na Raj Bhavan ka mi ya ka jing kublai tempang, ka bala mi na ka mensim ka do not bat na ka jingmut jing perkhat jong uni Lat Bathymmai ka Jylla, ubala yanu jor ya ki luom ki wa, ki deng ki sej bat ki klau batengan jong ka Meghalaya, bat ki jaka ki badan hakithan mai suru jong ka Jylla Karnataka. Ulat yap bit bat shasho jing it, na ki jing it yang jong ki luom ki them jong ka ne ka Jylla. Ula perto ping mensim ki mati jong ki riew kraw khamtam ya ubabu soso tham ubala sandur ya ka perkhat perdan jong ki longdin da ki sembok siar lengba ki jing Thaw jong u. Ula pendam ya la ka kli da ka jing burom khmat ki khla ka wat tirot sing kyang nongbah bat patogan Sangma. Kalami bat kersoy ka jing kan mensim na ka do not jong ni Lat Bathymmai. Hakaba ula kular bat khot ya baro ki paidbah nong Shuki ka Meghalaya banya trelang da ka wei ka buit ka bor bat da ka mensim len ladi na ka benta ka lawai bapernai jong ka ne ka Jylla hakini kisnam banwan.
I C.H. Vijayashankar
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya,
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
and will do to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and will do the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya,
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
Kublai. Mithila. I am really very glad to be here as a Governor of Meghalaya. It is really an opportunity for me to serve the Meghalaya as a Governor of the state. In that way, really I am grateful to the President of the nation, Draupadi Murmu. Even I am really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. They have been appointed me as a Governor of Meghalaya. public life. For the first 40 years, I am in the public life. I've been served as a MLA from Husur, Mysore district, Karnataka during 94. 94 to 98, I was in the assembly as the assembly member. And 98 and 2004, twice I was a member of parliament from Mysore. When Atalji became Prime Minister of this country, by that time I was in the parliament as a parliament member. Again 2004, second time I won the election, parliament election. I was in the parliament as a parliament member. I have been served as a parliament member twice for the 10 years. And again 2009, I had come back to state politics, Karnataka state politics, and I was MLC, and I was first minister in Yediyurappa's cabinet. I have been served as a minister also. So accordingly, I have been served as MLA, MP and MLC as a minister. But this position, as a governor, it is really biggest responsibility on the shoulders. Biggest responsibility on the shoulders. That too, the state like Meghalaya. I am also probably coming from the similar area. Almost my area is also covered by forest. Here also almost the area of Meghalaya covered by forest. I have been heard that it is a very clean city. Maximum importance Meghalaya people given to maintain that cleanliness. Maximum importance Meghalaya people always used to give. City should be clean. State should be always clean. I have been heard that it is a clean city. Cleanliness is the top priority here. So accordingly, I have been inspired, and I have heard that it is a very peaceful state, no law and order problem, and people are very cordial here. So they used to respect everybody, love everybody. So accordingly, it is not unlike any other state. I am supposed to work here as a governor. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence, and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I know any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve this state as a governor. That's all my responsibility. As a governor, whatever I am supposed to look after, whatever supposed to care I have to take, only I stick on to that. Rest of the aspect, other issue, it is not at all related to me. As a governor, I serve here. When I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state, when I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember. In that way, I am ready to give my time. Day and night I am ready to work. And I take the local government also into confidence. And fortunately, India government is here. And another one more thing I tell you, I am so proud to say here, when I entered into parliament as a parliament member, Mr. Sangma was the speaker by that time. Right now, his son, Mr. Sangma, is the chief minister here. When I entered into parliament first time, his father was the speaker. When I had come here as a governor, his son is the chief minister here. So accordingly, I know this family very well. I know the background of the family. And moreover, India government is running here. I take everybody into confidence. Ultimately, we have to run the government smoothly. And always we have to give maximum priority and preference to the development of the state. Accordingly, I work here as a governor. Thank you.